back with another video. We're doing a part 3 on the rebuild of the truck. But before that video starts, I just want to announce one thing. I'm giving away an iPhone 11 Pro. I did the giveaway on TikTok, Snapchat, and I posted on Facebook and Instagram. But the thing you gotta do to enter the giveaway is you gotta like, subscribe, and share my video. And then whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away this iPhone. It's brand new in the box. Brand new iPhone 11 Pro. So all you guys gotta do to enter is follow those simple steps. Like, share, and subscribe. But yeah. And guys, one of the things too with the giveaways that I'm gonna be doing is I'm giving away the iPhone whenever I reach 1,000 subscribers. But I'm also doing is not this video, but the videos coming up. What I'm gonna do is I can't tell you guys if it's gonna be in the videos coming up, but just know to keep an eye out in the channel because I'm gonna be giving away like gift cards. What I'm gonna do is in the video I'm gonna be giving away like the gift cards, and I'm just gonna randomly select a day or a video, and I'm gonna put out the cards information on that video. So whoever comes first and gets it, you know, guys. So that's how it's gonna be, and it's gonna be legit. I'm just gonna pick random gift cards. I'm gonna do probably Xbox card or PS4 card or Visa card. Let me know down in the comments what you guys would rather me do. I know if I do like a Visa card, you guys can spend it anywhere, you know. So just let me know what you guys want me to do. I'm gonna try to do more giveaways like this and stuff. I'm trying to grow my channel. So yeah, guys. So just stay tuned for the video. So yeah, guys, so this part right here was a part that we initially messed up on, and we went ahead, fixed it, and we fixed the bumper as well, and we put this part already on. We tinted out the light there, the light here. The way we tinted out the lights was with clear coat and black paint. We went ahead, threw in the gas cover, as you guys can see, and we took out the tailgate because we're going to be installing stuff to it, but we made the holes for the parts that are going to go on it. These right here are all the old parts that we took off the truck, and then this is all the new parts we're going to be installing. This is the ram that's going to go on the tailgate, the light that's going to go on top of the by the roof over there, and then those are the headlights, the part that's going to go on the tailgate, horn. We're gonna try and install most of this stuff today, but we're gonna see how it comes out. Yeah, and then this over here is the front grille. We're gonna put the ram, nice big letters right here on the front grille. And yeah, guys, we're gonna try to get this whole front together today. We're trying to get the truck in this video, we're gonna try to get it as much together as we can. So then after we have it nice and together, we can go ahead, wash it. We might buff this whole truck over again. And yeah, guys, so let's get to it. I'm gonna put the GoPro recording so you guys can see us installing the parts. We're gonna try to do it so it doesn't get too late on us, and we can post a video for you guys today. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Alright, guys, we got this one on pretty good. He's finishing installing the other one. But what I was gonna say to you guys is that we're gonna install these lights on just like that now. But when we put the truck on the lift, that's when we're gonna connect them. This video we're not gonna connect them because maybe we're not gonna have time. We might do it, but it's just gonna be way easier when it's on the lift. Because when we lift up the truck, we're gonna be able to get to the right wires that's the back there, so we can connect them to it. But we might be able to install them. Let's see. But yeah, guys, let's continue. He's almost got that one on. Okay, guys, the lights are on. Now we're gonna go and install this piece. And I'm going to put on the tripod so you guys can see us installing the fast time. So, yeah, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. The bumper piece is on now. We went ahead through the lights. Everything came out good. This thing's making a weird noise, but yeah, guys. So it looks really good already. That changed the whole look of the truck. That was making it really ugly, not having that. And we went ahead and threw the LNS auto plate, but that's gonna be gone. We just threw that for looks right now. But now we're gonna go ahead and get the tailgate ready and throw it on the truck, or we might as even put the tailgate on the truck and then throw on the letters, because it could be easier.
We're gonna put the letters first, after we're gonna
put the tailgate on? Yeah, makes more sense. But alright guys, stay tuned. There you have it, guys. The whole rear end is done. All we gotta do is we're gonna install the little light that goes up there. But we did everything back here. It was a little bit of work, but we got it. So yeah, this thing's coming out really good. It looks aggressive, especially when we get the lift. We got a spacer right now on the wheel, but we're gonna go ahead and order a 3-inch spacer because we ordered 1.5 inches. But the flares, you can't really see it as much, so we're gonna put a different spacer and it's gonna look even crazier because the tire is gonna stick out a lot more. But yeah guys, so let's continue. We're gonna go ahead, throw the light up there, and then move on to the other stuff in the front. Alright guys, so the back end of the truck is done. We went ahead, added the light up there like I said, and we also added this right here. It's a little like motor thing, so when you open the tailgate, it opens nice and smooth. So the whole rear end of this truck is pretty much done, you guys can see. The only thing that's left is we're gonna do the wiring down there, and for the camera, for the both lights. But let me demonstrate this for you guys really quick. Right when you open this, see how it goes down nice and smooth. That's the purpose of this thing. It's really cool. Like, it just goes down very smooth, and it's softer as well when you're trying to put it back up. It's not as heavy. So now we're gonna go to the front and install the grill and some other stuff that we have, so we can make it look good. The headlights and all sorts of stuff. I think the headlights we're gonna do the wiring today because we need those. But yeah guys, so let's do it. Okay guys, we got everything on the truck. We got the grill, the ram, the headlights, the light bar down there, the hood scoop, I would guess that's what it's called, but it's on there really good. It's on there solid. We still have some stuff that we're gonna be installing, but it's gonna be on the next video. Like this has something to do with the subwoofer. This is gonna be the horns and stuff, and those decals, the stickers, we're not gonna put on. We're gonna throw these on. We might actually do that right now. We should throw these on. And yeah guys, so I'm gonna do a quick video of the truck for you guys with some cool music in the background so you guys can see real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching this video guys, and make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button and the share button guys, and the ringer bell so you guys know every time we post a video, you guys are the first one to watch it. And stay tuned for that giveaway guys. Pay attention because I am gonna be putting the gift cards in the videos without you guys knowing, so it'll be like a scavenger hunt. You guys gonna first come first serve, so you don't know if it's gonna be in the beginning of the video or at the end of the video, so stay tuned guys. See you in the next one.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody.